Hi guys, so here we have the May Treasure Tress box, which I showed you in my previous Treasure Tress unboxing video. First I'm going to go in with the Twisted Sister Clear and Nourish Pure Treatment Shampoo. And this is how the shampoo looked in my hair. As you can see, it lathered up really well. It left my hair feeling really clean, but it also left it feeling quite dry. And this is how my hair looked when I rinsed out the shampoo. As you can see, my curls are popping and my hair looks really clean. And next we have the Twisted Sister Clear and Nourish Pure Treatment Conditioner, which is transparent. So here you're going to see me apply the conditioner to my freshly washed hair and to the floor first. But as you will see, the conditioner actually lathers up like a shampoo. And when I first put it in my hair, I was actually wondering if I accidentally picked up shampoo instead of conditioner. But yeah, it's a very weird consistency. The conditioner does have slip for detangling, but it's not the kind of slip that you're probably used to. I honestly can't even describe the sort of slip that it is, but it's okay. It literally just feels like you've just put a moisturizing shampoo in your hair. After detangling with a wide tooth comb, I like to go in with my tangle teaser just to clump that section of hair together. I could tell that this conditioner wasn't going to do a lot for my hair in terms of moisture, and so I sat under a hooded dryer for about an hour to help it penetrate into my hair strands. After rinsing the conditioner out, this is how my hair looked. It was super soft. It was so soft, so I definitely recommend sitting under a hooded dryer if you do try this conditioner. My curls weren't that defined, but after detangling with a wide tooth comb, I always lose curl definition, so that is just normal for me. Next, we have the Twisted Sister Clear and Nourish Hydration Curl Gel. Now I'm just going to use my normal wash and go technique. I do have 2 wash and go tutorial videos if you want to see this technique in more depth. In my initial impression, I really liked this gel. It had a lot of slip, so I was able to finger detangle and rake my fingers through my hair with it. At this point, I was really impressed with how the gel was clumping my curls together, but it wasn't weighing my hair down too much. So this is how my hair looked once I had finished. I had to go somewhere, so I didn't end up doing the front half of my head. As you can see, this gel gave me really good curl definition. I also loved how much movement my hair had. I don't know if you noticed, but I didn't actually use a moisturiser underneath this gel, yet my hair was still extremely moisturised. So 2 more products that I didn't end up using featured in this May box. They are the Clear and Nourish Hydration Shape and Style Mousse, and the next one is the Clear and Nourish Frizz Control Serum. And this was my hair later that day after it had dried. As you can see, it's so shiny, it looks so moisturised. I had a ton of curl definition. The only downside was that this gel can get really sticky until it's 100% dry.